Happy birthday, Stanley. October 19th, 2009. He's 91 years old. Open your card, sir.
Thank you very much.
Open your card, sir.
Uh-oh. Yeah, thank you.
What does it say?
Oh.
It says you're not old until the fat lady sings.
Yeah.
So open it. Okay, open it. Yep, she's singing. Close it up. Okay. Here's a hat.
That's nice.
Here's a nice hat.
Holy God.
Here's a nice hat.
Oh, isn't that nice? Holy smack.
Okay, turn the arm around. There you Okay, here's a nice warm shirt. Look at this. Look at this shirt. Look at this shirt.
Yeah.
Look how nice that shirt is.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that. Now you got a warm shirt.
This is better, warmer.
Yeah.
This is warm for winter. Yeah, that's very nice. Oh, boy, look at that. I like this one, yeah. That's better than my other shirt. I mean...
Yeah, that's warm there. That's thick and warm.
This is warm.
Hey, Stanley.
Yeah, hello! Hi,